Stickers have become one of the most expressive ways to communicate on WhatsApp. People of all ages love using them to convey emotions, inside jokes, and more. And now you can make your own stickers and use them in fun, creative ways to spice up your chats. Here's how to make stickers on WhatsApp and some ideas to get you started. First, to create your own stickers, Ulinez need a sticker-making app such as Sticker Maker or any similar tool available in your app store. There are many options available, so feel free to download the one that works best for you. Open the app, select Create New Pack, and give your pack a name and author tag. Once the pack is created, you can start adding stickers. Choose an image from your gallery or take a new photo. Most sticker apps let you crop the image freely or use an auto-cut feature to remove the background. Some apps might charge you for this feature, but it's worth it to save time on manual labor. If you want to remove the background yourself, use the crop tool to get rid of any extra space around your subject. Zoom in to make sure there are no unwanted details left in the background. Save the sticker in PNG format. This is important because WhatsApp only supports transparent backgrounds for stickers. Now it's time to make your sticker truly unique. Add text, emojis, or small decorations to make your sticker more personalized. You can also use a pre-made template if your app offers it. If you want to add text, use a simple font and keep the text short so it's easy to read. You can add an outline to make the text stand out more. Color is another great way to bring your sticker to life. Pick a color that complements the rest of the sticker and use it to add some fun shapes or patterns. You can also use a gradient to add some depth to your sticker. When you're finished, give your sticker a name. This will help you remember what each sticker is supposed to represent. You can also change the author of the sticker here. WhatsApp requires a minimum of 3 stickers before you can import them. So continue adding stickers to your pack until you reach the minimum requirement. Once your stickers are ready, tap Add to WhatsApp in the Sticker app. Open a chat, tap the emoji icon, switch to the Stickers tab, and you'll see your newly created pack ready to use. Now that you know how to make stickers on WhatsApp, here are some fun ideas to try. Stickers are a great way to share inside jokes with friends and family. Create a pack of stickers with some of your favorite quotes or memes. You can also make a pack of stickers with some funny reactions to everyday situations. These can be especially helpful when words just won't cut it. Whether you're feeling happy, sad, angry, or confused, there's a sticker for that. Stickers are a great way to celebrate special events like birthdays and holidays. Create a pack of festive stickers to share with friends or family. You can also make a pack of stickers with some fun party games like Would You Rather or 2 Truths and a Lie. If you're a business owner, you can use stickers to promote your brand in a fun, lighthearted way. Create a pack of stickers with your logo or some of your favorite products or services. You can also use stickers to engage with your customers. Ask them what they think of your new sticker pack or get their feedback on future designs. Teachers can use stickers to make reminders for their students or to celebrate good behavior. Event organizers can also use stickers to keep track of important information or to thank their attendees. As you can see, the possibilities are really endless when it comes to stickers. Have fun and be creative, and your stickers are sure to be a hit. Now go forth and create your very own WhatsApp sticker pack. Share this video with your friends and family so they can join in on the fun. We can't wait to see what you come up with.